Vinod comes to this place every 4th day. And his friend Pranay comes to this place every 6th day. After how many days will they meet again at the same place? LCM of 4 and 6 is 12, isn't it? So Vinod and his friend will meet at the same place every 12th day.
In this lecture, I will be covering the concept on LCM and HCF. LCM. Its full form is least common multiple. It is the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given numbers is called their LCM. And there are two methods to find LCM. The first one is common division method and the second one is prime factorization. Now let's look into the common division method to find out the LCM. In this method, write down the numbers first. So here we have 20 and 30. Now divide the numbers with any prime number. So let me take 2. 2 can divide 28 10 times and 38 15 times. Then I'll take 5 and 5 2s are 10 and 5 3s are 15. Keep on dividing till you get the prime numbers. So here we got the prime numbers 2 and 3. From this we can write the LCM as 2 into 5 into 2 into 3. That is multiplication of these numbers. So this is 60. Let's try one more. Here we have 16, 24, 36 and 54. So let's divide with prime numbers. Let's start with 2. 2 8 16, 2 12 24, 18 36 and 27 is 54. Next again I'll take 2, 2 4 8, 2 6 12, 2 9 18. 2 cannot divide 27, so leave it like that. Then again I can use 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 9 and 27 we cannot divide, so leave it like that. Then again 2 1s, then 3 9 27 cannot be divided. Then let's go with 3. 1 you leave it like that. 3 1s 3, 3 3s 9, 3 9s 27. Again 3. Now at this point we have all the factors. Other than 1 we have 3, that's a prime number, so we can stop it over here. The LCM is the multiplication of all these factors, which is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. This is 432. That's the LCM. The second method is prime factorization. Here factorize the numbers into the prime factors. So for 16 I can write as 2 power 4. 24 I can write as 2 power 3 into 3. Then 36 I can write as 2 square into 3 square. 54 we can write as 2 into 3 power 3. And the method to find LCM is it is the product of highest powers of the prime factors. Here write down the prime factors. We have only 2 and 3. Now look at the highest power. So for 2, here it is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the highest. Now in this, for 3 the highest is 3 itself. So 2 power 4, 3 power 3. So this is 16 into 27, that is 432. Let's do one more. LCM of 2, 8, 16 and 10. So 2 is 2 power 1, 8 is 2 power 3, 16 is 2 power 4 and 10 is 2 into 5. So LCM will be, here we have only 2 factors, 2 and 5. The highest power of 2 is 4 and the highest power of 5 is 1. So this is 80. That's how we calculate the LCM. Now let's learn about HCF. The full form of HCF is highest common factor, or sometimes it's also called as the greatest common divisor. What it means is, it is the greatest number that divides the given numbers exactly. And again in this we have two methods. The first method is division method and the second one is prime factorization. Now let's look into the division method. Find the HCF of 1134 and 1215. In this, divide the larger number with the smaller number. So 1215 can be divided with 1134. 1134 one time is 1134, remainder is 81. Once you get the remainder, with this remainder divide the divisor. So let's take the 1134 over here. Now 14 times is 1134, so the remainder is 0. So we need to keep on dividing as long as we get it 0. In this, the divisor which leads to a remainder 0, this particular divisor is a HCF. Therefore, the HCF of these two is 81. That's the division method. The second one is prime factorization. In this, let's factorize these three numbers. 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. 63 is 3 into 3 into 7. 140 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. So this I can write as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 7 power 1, and anything left out, 5 is not there, so I can write as 5 power 0. In this 2 is not there, therefore 2 power 0, 3 square, 7 power 1, 5 power 0. In this 2 square, 3 power 0, 5 power 1, 7 power 1. Alright, HCF is it is a product of least powers of the prime factors. So here the prime factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into, now in that pick up the least powers. So for 2 the least power is 0, so put it as 0. Then for 3 again we can find 0, 5 we can find a 0, for 7 least is 1, therefore this is 7 power 1, or it is 7. So HCF of these three numbers is 7. That's how we find the HCF. So that was the method of calculating the LCM and HCF.